There's a lot of news surrounding Sue Surf right now. He is in fact in trouble. Make no mistakes about it. He is in trouble. The feds picked him up on racketeering charges, along with it was a total of 10 people, and he makes the 10th person. So he is in fact in trouble. And like I said, I've been listening to the chatter like everybody else on social media, and his people were not lying. They said that he was preparing. Remember when they said he was preparing for a possible arrest? Well, that indictment came in September. So he knew that this day was coming when the feds were going to come arrest him. But there was something interesting that I read in the news. If he knew that he was getting ready to get arrested, I'll read that in a second. I'm sure some of you probably already read the news clipping on Fox News. But for those that don't know, Sue Surf is a well-known battle rapper out of New Jersey. Newark, New Jersey, to be exact. He was arrested recently this past Thursday in Jersey City, New Jersey, on RICO charges. So I'm going to read the document. I went on Pacer just to pull the document to see what's going on and see how many people were named. There's roughly about 10, but he is in fact in a lot of trouble. I'm going to read this news article, then I'm going to go read what I found on Pacer. But before I do that, I remember Lisa Evers, maybe about a week or two ago, she said that Sue Surf is preparing for the, he's hoping for the best, but preparing for the worst. He's getting his affairs in order to take care of his family and people that depend on him. He's getting all his affairs in order before he has to turn himself in. So I remember listening to that. I said, what's going on here? And then someone in his camp said, I don't know if it was his manager or someone in his camp said that, yeah, he's preparing to turn himself in. He's, preparing for the worst, and please pray for him. But then I started listening to a lot of chatter on social media. And then, yes, they went and arrested him in Jersey City. So I'm going to read this article. Then I'm going to read what I found on Pacer, and yes, he's in a world of trouble. So it says federal authorities on Thursday arrested rapper Sue Surf on federal RICO charge in connection with a DEA case. Fox 5 News has learned. The U.S. Marshal Service New York, New Jersey Regional Fugitive Task Force busted Sue Surf, whose real name is Rajan Cox, at a home in Jersey City. Sue Surf, also known as Tsunami Surf, was at a home with a woman. They tried to go out the back door, but then they went outside. They saw that there was a lot of law enforcement around, sources said. He and the woman went back into the house and refused to come out for about an hour. Now, authorities, get this now, this is what's interesting, because he knew he was getting ready to get arrested, but it says authorities called in crisis negotiators, who then talked with Surf until he peacefully surrendered, sources said. Now, Sue Surf was taken to Essex County Jail. The feds have a contract with the county to keep federal detainees there. He is expected to go before a federal judge in court in Newark sometime Friday, which was this past Friday. So that was interesting, right? They said that they had to bring in crisis negotiators for him to turn himself in. They said, according to the news, he went back in the house and he had to wait an hour. I mean, he stayed in there for about an hour before he surrendered. I find that kind of odd because he knew that they were coming. Now, there's about 10 people here named. Jason Franklin, aka Freak, aka OG Freak, Elijah Williams, aka Lil Smith, Trey Bird, aka Bands, aka G Bands, Kareem Green, aka Try Me, Taheem Terry, aka Ty, aka Rolling Ty, Amir Warden, aka Stamps, aka Killer, Rajan Cox, aka Sue Surf, Amir Edmonds, aka G Baby, Abdul Yarel, aka Run It Up, aka BB, and Najee Johnson, aka Guido. Now it says here, on or about September 22nd, 2022, a grand jury sitting in the District of New Jersey returned a superseding indictment charging the above captioned defendants, where I just named, with racketeering conspiracy in violation of 18 U.S.C. 1962D and related charges. That same day, the Honorable Jessica S. Allen, Magistrate Judge for the District of New Jersey, issued warrants authorizing the arrest of each defendant and granted the government motion to seal the indictment and arrest warrants. In the sealing order, Judge Allen ordered that all aforementioned documents, together with a sealing order, be sealed, except for such copies of the arrest warrants as are necessary to accomplish its purpose, and that these documents remain sealed until the arrest warrants are executed or until further order of the court. Judge Allen further ordered that once the arrest warrants are executed, that the indictment, arrest warrants, and this order be unsealed. The government, upon application of Philip R. Sellinger, the United States Attorney of the District of New Jersey, Francesca Liquori, Assistant United States Attorney appearing, now moves this court to unseal the superseding indictment and arrest warrants, as the three above captioned defendants were at liberty at the time of the government's motion to seal have been apprehended, and for good cause. It is on this 14th day of October 2022 ordered that the superseding indictment, arrest warrants, the sealing order, and this order be hereby unsealed. Okay, so you heard that there. So they're going to unseal these documents. I went on there to see if I can get other documents. I haven't as of yet. But as soon as those documents are available, as soon as that indictment, that full indictment is available, I'm going to read it here and make a follow-up video. But currently, like I said, there are roughly about 10 people. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 people that has been apprehended, and they were just waiting for the last to be taken in custody before they unseal these documents. So people will have access to these indictments, so you'll know exactly what he's being charged with and what exactly is going on. I will make a follow-up video on this, but yeah, Sue Surf is in a world of trouble here. You know, they say once the feds come in, they already have done their homework. You know, once they swoop down on you, they already done their homework. They say the feds have a high conviction rate, and they do their homework on you before they come in and get you. Sometimes they watch you for years. But there's 10 people here, so we'll see what happens with Sue Surf. But yes, he's in a world of trouble, and I don't want to rush to judgment right now on what he's going to do. And like Lisa Evers said, that he's innocent until proven guilty. I do believe in that. I believe in the legal system, and I like to follow legal cases over here. And this is a legal case that I'll be following, and we'll see what happens. Drop a comment below. Let me know how you feel, and let me know what you're thinking about this whole situation involving Sue Surf. Yeah, let me know below. I'm curious to know what you're feeling here. And thinking here. And yeah, so if there's something else come up, I will drop a video. All right, guys, until next video, peace.